Wow, guys, do you see what I see? I don't know what the heck this is. Looks like tourmaline again. There is a, I don't know how to hold my phone. There is a band of sulfites switching into this beautiful glassy tourmaline with magmatic calcite. There is few pieces that are chipped off the wall before I got here, so that's my souvenirs for sure. But I never seen formation like this in Parry Sound. Holy moly! You guys think it's tourmaline? Let me know in a comment. I would really appreciate it.